This is about dotted notes, and the function of the dot, we can see a dot after this note here, is that it extends the length of the note. So the value, the note value becomes a bit higher, so it's a longer note. We have it on different types of notes here. Here it is on a half note, here it is on a quarter note, but no matter what note we put it after, it does the same thing to the note. It extends the length of the note by half of its value. So you take the note itself and add half of the value of it to it. If we illustrate with this one, for example, it's like taking the note value, which in this case is a half note, and adding half of itself to that. And half of a half note, that's a quarter note. So this would be like taking a half note and combine it with a quarter note. So I'm just going to illustrate up here in the corner. A half note, add half of its own value, which is a quarter note. Half of a half note is a quarter note, and what you get is half note that's dotted half note. So that means that this lasts for 3 beats. 2 for the half note, its own value, and then what we add with the dot, that's 1 beat. So putting out the beat numbers would be beat number 1, 2, and 3. Pretty simple. So this next thing would end up on the 4th beat, and that's a quarter note, so the bar is complete. So this goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And you only play it when it starts. So it's a note that you hold on for 3 beats. When we have the dotted quarter note, the dot has the same function, but now the value gets a bit different. So if we do the same thing here, that we take the note value, in this case a quarter note, and we add half of its own value, which then of course is an 8th note. Half of the quarter note, that's the same as an 8th note. That you could then write as a dotted quarter note. So how many beats is this? Well, we got 1 full beat for this one, half for this. So it's 1.5 beats. So let's try and put this out. That means that this covers beat number 1, and it covers the whole of the first beat, but as it is also half a beat extra, it goes into the second beat as well. So I'll put a 2 right after here, because it goes halfway through the second beat, and that means that the next thing we have would end up on the and after 2. So then we've covered 1.5 beats and then the other half of 2. So this would end up on the 3rd beat, and that's a half note, so it covers the 4th beat as well. It's 2 beats long. So we have 1, 2, and 3, 4. That's how this rhythm reads. It goes 1, 2, and 3, 4. But we don't play it on the second beat, because this note is still lasting. It's still going on when the second beat starts. This is when you play again on the and after 2. Let's listen to it with a drum playing it and having a click with it, so you can hear the beats, but also with the rhythm together with the beats. Here it is.